Hi, good morning to one and all. I am Bogala Vinod Reddy. My roll number is 20951, capital A04P4, and my branch is ECE, means Electronical Communication Engineering, and section from D. I am from the IR Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, where my today's subject is Engineering Physics, and the subtopic is population inverse in fourth level scheme, where population definition population of an energy state n is defined as a number of atoms per unit volume of that energy level according to the Boltzmann distribution law. Expression for population n is an energy state. E is given by n equals to n naught exp square bracket minus E by k by t, where n naught is a population of a ground state, where the k is a Boltzmann constant and the t is the absolute temperature. Population is maximum in the ground state and that decreases exponentially as the energy state increases. We are discussing about the population inverse. Usually in a system, the number of atoms N1 present in the ground state E1 is the larger than the number of atoms N2 present in the higher energy state. The process of the making N2 greater than N1 is called the population inverse. This is the main concept where the N2 is greater than N1 is called the population inverse, where the population inverse equals to population inverse. Condition for the population inverse are the system should propose at least a pair of energy level E2 greater than E1 separated by energy equals to the energy of a photon h mu. There should be a continuous supply of energy of the system such that the atoms must be raised continuously of the excited state. Example from the as shown beside the diagram. First normal population, where the second one is population inverse, where n2 is greater than n1, where n2 given that n2 has the 1 2 3 4 5 elements and the n1 has the 1 elements. The n2 minus n1 is known as the population inverse. At the first case, normal population, where the n2 has only one electron and the n1 has the 1 2 3 4 5 electrons, that is the normal population. Where the population because of the shorter lifetime, only a small number of atoms accumulate in the energy state E3, and the atoms in the metastable state E2 will be remain there for a longer period because of its longer lifetime. As a result, a large number of atoms accumulate in stable state. Thus, the population of a metal stable state will becomes greater than the population of energy state E3 and the E1. It can be supplied written as N2 greater than N1, where the N2 greater than N1 is the population inverse main concept. In a three-level energy system, we achieve the population inversion between the energy level E1. It can be simplified written as N2 greater than N1. In a three-level energy system, we achieve the population inversion between the energy level E2 and the E3. Characteristics of a laser light in the population inverse. Example in the laser light lifetime, where the definition for the lifetime, the time for which an atom can stay in an excited state is called the time lifetime. Metastable state, it is an excited state in which the atoms can stay for a relatively longer time. Atoms have a relative longer lifetime due to a slow radiative and the non-radiative decay in the metastates. Excitation method. Population inversion can be achieved by a number of ways. Some of them are: first one, optical pumping, and second one, electrical discharging and the inelastic collision of atoms, and the chemical reaction and the direct conversion, and the sixth point is thermal pumping is the most important, and last is thermal pumping. These are the main methods to execution. The method of the population inversion can be achieved by the number of ways. This many ways we can achieve the population inversion. And the thank you to all for listening to and the being these opportunities thanks to the IARE college and the faculty. Thanks, bye.